How to use the reverse-engineered AI prompt creation using web page URL template. To get started, open the template and you'll notice how intuitive it is. Simply paste a page URL from a competitor into the input box and then click on Run. Watch as the system performs an automated analysis of the page. It deconstructs the approach, extracting key elements that contribute to its success. Once the analysis is complete, the results are converted into a detailed AI prompt. This is ready to be used with popular AI systems like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or Perplexity AI. You can use it directly or customize it further to fit your content strategy. For those with larger data sets, the template offers a bulk processing feature. Select your CSV file that contains multiple URLs. The template generates AI prompts in bulk. For more information, visit promptmate.io.